Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a LeetCode Easy level problem called convert integer to sum of the two zero integers. So problem statement goes as follows. No zero integer is a positive integer that does not contain any zero on its decimal representation. Given an integer n, return a list of two integers where a and b are non-zero integers. A plus b equal to n. So the test cases are generated so that there is at least one valid solution. If there are many valid solutions, you can return any one of them. So they are telling that they will give a number as an input. We are supposed to generate a list which contains two numbers, and those two numbers will be the sum of the given input. Let me explain you through whiteboard. So if they provide n as 2, then we can return a list containing 1 comma 1. If let n be 9, then we can return 1 comma 8, 1 sorry 2 comma 7, 3 comma 6, anything which the sum of these two numbers will be equal to the given n. So how we can solve this problem is we will iterate, we will use a for loop from 1 to n, and we will check. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you one thing. And in these numbers, they should be no zero numbers. No zero in the sense the number should not contain zero at any place. So we will iterate from 1 to n, and we will check each number 1 and n minus 1, 2 comma n minus 2, and so on I comma n minus I. We will check each of these pairs, and if there is no zero numbers inside those numbers, then we are good to go. No zero in the sense there should be no zero at any decimal place. In order to check there is no uh, I mean no zero, we will use the standard approach like this. Let if n is 99, first we will divide n by 10. I mean we will use modulo operator. 99 modulo 10. This will return the remainder when the number is divided by 10. Nothing but we will get 9 here. And then we will do 99 double slash 10. What this will do? It will make 99 as 99, which is nothing but float division. It will gives you quotient. So here what we'll get is we will get each integer from the given number, and we will check if there is any zero in that. Let me implement the solution. At first we are supposed to iterate for I in range 1 comma n. So in order to check whether there is any uh, zeros are there in that number or not, we will use an helper function. I will implement the helper function after this condition. If helper of I and if helper of n minus I. If both the numbers has passed the function helper, then we will return I comma n minus I. As they mentioned, I and the both numbers which are going to return should be the sum to the given input. So we are mentioning here it as I and n minus I, which will sum to n. So let me implement helper function here. Def helper, it will receive an input n. So while n not equal to 0, or until and unless n exists, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to get each character from the n. We are supposed to check if r double equal 0, then we are supposed to return false, stating that it is a zero integer. Else we are supposed to divide n by 10. At last we will return the true condition. So we have implemented the helper function also. Let me run this once and check. Okay, it is passing the sample test cases. Now let me submit this, and it is passing all the test cases. So thank you.